Dear students, in today's online lecture, work from home, we will study the cockroach as a type study from the phylum Arthropoda. So here, this cockroach is a common name of a arthropod animal which is very common in the house, in the godams, in the drainage, in the bathrooms. So this animal cockroach, all of you, it is well known animals. The generic name or zoological name of cockroach is the Periplaneta americana. So Periplaneta is a generic name, genus, and americana is a species. So remember here, species is always start from the small letter, americana. Like the Ascaris is a genus. Lumbricoid is a species. So lumbricoids, L is a small. In protozoa, Plasmodium is a genus and Vivax is the species. So here you have to remember this letter is always small, not capital, never capital. So Periplaneta americana is the generic name of the cockroach, and cockroach is a common animal, belongs to the phylum Arthropoda. That's why it is kept in the study as a type study. So this cockroach was first of all Burmeister. This is the name of the scientist. Burmeister assigned the name cockroach in 1838. So here may be the MCQ. Who assigned the name of cockroach in 1838? So there will be the four options. One is the Burmeister, which is correct. MCQ may be asked in alternative forms. आलटून पालटून तोच प्रश्न वेगवेगळ्या फॉर्म मध्ये विचारले जाऊ शकतो. So here cockroach is a nocturnal animal. Nocturnal and diurnal. Nocturnal means animal which is active at the night time. And diurnal means animals which is active at the daytime. So remember, nocturnal and diurnal. So cockroach is a nocturnal animal. It means it is active at the night time, during the night time. This cockroach is a cursorial animals found in the crevices of the house. It is a fast running animals. Sometimes it may fly. So it having a pair of wings also. The habit of eating is omnivorous. So there are different habits of the eating. Herbivorous, carnivorous, and omnivorous. It means it is eating both types of the foods, as well as the plants, as well as the dead animals. Here, omnivorous, both. Cockroach eat non-living materials. Remember, cockroach is omnivorous, but it eats non-living animals, like the leathers, like the papers, like the cloths, etc. As per the syllabus, we have to study the external morphology of cockroach. So cockroach having the narrow body, elongated body, dorso-ventrally flattened body. The external morphology of cockroach, here it is a narrow, elongated, dorso-ventrally flattened body. Adult cockroach measures 2 to 4 centimeter in length and 1 centimeter in the width. लांबी आणि रुंदी 2 ते 4 सेंटीमीटर लांब आणि 1 सेंटीमीटर रुंद असा हा कॉकरोचचा अडल्ट कॉकरोचचा बॉडी शेप आहे. About the color, it is a reddish brown color. Its color is like the dates. खजुराच्या कलर सारखा कलर असतो. So here the reddish brown like the dates. Body covered by a thin tough cuticle which provides the protection of the body. Their body is divided into 3 regions: head, thorax and abdomen. So here thorax is of 3 segments. Thorax made up by the 3 segments: prothorax, mesothorax and metathorax. So each thorax having a pair of legs. Cockroach is an insect, belongs to the class Insecta, and it have 3 pairs of legs and 2 pairs of wings. So each pair of legs are attached to each thoracic segments: prothorax, mesothorax and metathorax. Now the abdomen consists of 10 segments. Abdomen, after the thorax, abdomen. So abdomen consists of 10 segments. A head followed by the 6 segments, which is called as the mouth parts. Now body divided into head, thorax and abdomen. So this is in short the external morphology of the cockroach. So in the details you can read in the notes. Now we will study the systems. In your syllabus different systems are given. So as per the syllabus, the first system is the digestive system. Whenever you are studying the digestive system of any animals, so for the better understanding, this digestive system is divided into 2 parts. One is the alimentary canal and second is the associated glands, that is the digestive glands, which is in the association of alimentary canal. That's why they are also called as the associated glands. And these associated glands secrete the enzymes, their secretion called enzymes, that mix in the food and food becomes easy for the digestion. So that glands are also called as the digestive glands because they secrete their secretion. That secretion mix in the food and food becomes easy for the digestion. So they are called as the digestive glands. So remember here, we are studying the digestive system, and this digestive system is divided into alimentary canal and digestive glands, which is also called as the associated glands. Now alimentary canal, it is a elongated, different diameter, tube-like structure. It starts from the mouth and it ends at the anus. So in between the mouth and anus, there are different organs of the alimentary canal. So mouth is a interior opening. Through the mouth, the food is taking in the alimentary canal. That food digested and the waste material is thrown outside the anus. So this system is called as the digestive system. Taking food inside the body, there is a digestion, nutritive material sent to the different body parts up to the cell, and waste material thrown outside the body. The system is called as the digestive system. So here alimentary canal is further divided into the foregut, midgut and hindgut. Remember, when we are studying the digestive system of the cockroach, so first alimentary canal, second digestive glands. Then alimentary canal is further divided into foregut, midgut and hindgut. Now in the foregut, this foregut is also called as the stomodium. Stomodium, another name of the foregut. This starts from the mouth, and in the foregut, after the mouth, there is the pharynx. Mouth, their mouth cavity is also there. Pharynx, esophagus, crop and gizzard. Then it opens into the midgut. So midgut is a short, narrow, tube-like structure. There is a gizzard ball-like structure called as the cardia. There are different hepatic cica also. Then there is the rectum, and then finally there is the anus. So here another part, digestive glands. In the digestive glands of the cockroach, there is the salivary glands, which lies in the mouth, which secrete the saliva, mix in the food. That is also called as the salivary apparatus. So here in this figure, due to the limitation of the boards here, we cannot see the figure. So in the notes you can study the pharynx, which is at the anterior side, then salivary glands, salivary reservoir, then esophagus, then crop. So crop is a bag-like structure, narrow structure. It functions as a stomach. Then after that there is a ball-like structure which is called as the gizzard. After the gizzard, there are 8 hepatic cica, just like the fingers, finger-like structures. After the gizzard, that is called as the hepatic cica. After that, mesenteron, that is the midgut. Then after the midgut, there is the tubules, called as the Malpighian tubules. Then ileum, then colon, and finally rectum and anus. So these are the different parts of the alimentary canal and digestive glands. So dear students, in today's lecture we have studied the cockroach as a type study from Arthropoda phylum, then external morphology of cockroach, and then we have studied the digestive system of cockroach. So for today it is sufficient. The complete notes of 4 units you can collect from the Sanskriti Xerox. तिथे मी नोट्स ठेवलेले आहेत. जर तुम्हाला पाहिजे असेल तर तुम्ही तिथून ते झेरॉक्स करून घ्यायचे असतात. तुम्हाला जर पाहिजे असेल तर तुम्ही ती झेरॉक्स करून घ्यायचे किंवा तुमच्या मित्राकडून घेऊन तुम्ही लिहून घेऊ शकता. सो इट इज बेटर यू राईट नोट्स. इफ एनीबडी इज परचेस्ड or is taken the Xerox, so from that you can write within 1 day 4 units, not more, and read sentence to sentence. I have also kept there the notes of 4 units. 4 युनिटच्या नोट्स तिथे ठेवलेले आहेत आणि 4 युनिट वरचे एमसीक्यू सुद्धा काढून तिथे ठेवलेले आहेत. तुम्ही ते घ्या. अभ्यासासाठी तुमच्याकडे मटेरियल पाहिजे आहे आणि कोरोनाची सर्व काळजी घेऊन आपण आपलं काम करायचं आहे. रडायचं नाहीये. आपल्याला रडायचं नाहीये. आपल्याला काय करायचं आहे? लढायचं आहे. आपल्याला लढायचं आहे. मार्ग काढून आपल्याला पुढे जायचं आहे. कोरोना म्हणून आपल्याला रडत बसायचं नाही, रडायचं नाही, तर आपल्याला लढायचं आहे हे ध्यानात ठेवा. काही अडचण आली अभ्यासक्रमामध्ये तर तुम्ही केव्हाही मला फोन लावू शकता. फोनवरती आपण डिस्कस करू. आणि 1 तारखेपासून आम्ही कॉलेजमध्ये रेग्युलर येणार आहे. तुम्ही सुद्धा कॉलेजमध्ये येऊ शकता कोरोनाची सर्व काळजी घेऊन. मास्क वापरायचं, सॅनिटायझर करायचं, अंतर ठेवायचं आणि आपलं काम आपण करत राहायचं. आपला मार्ग आपण शोधायचा, आपण पुढे जायचं. सो डिअर स्टुडंट्स, फॉर टुडे इट इज सफिशियंट. यू सेट युअर प्रेझेंटी as early as possible. Presenty is very essential. Whether you are attending or not period, observing or not, listening or not. So attendance is very important. So for today it is sufficient. Thank you very much.